Let's try Irasutoya. Let's click on that. This is I tried this um like a second before, and it gives you a lot of illustrations, as you would see here. I think you also have to check for the terms of use. So if I click on that, it will give you. You just have to agree for the terms of use because this is created by an artist, a Japanese artist. So there's a lot of things that you can use here. Like wow, there's lots of them. So if you're into like school and education, but I think you just have to credit the artist itself, which is, let's click on this. Let's click on details, which is Takashi Mifune, who did the illustration for all of this. Let's click on this one, and as easy as that, you have this type of illustration, which is pretty cool, right? Wow. Okay, let's go back to add-ons. This add-on enables you to access pre-selected illustrations with more on his website. So it's fully integrated from his website. You can easily check the... And it is under Adobe. It was created by Adobe. So that's a pretty interesting setup right now. Okay, so that is Irasutoya.